Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a life-changing story that could shift the way you see yourself, your potential, and your future. So sit back, relax, and let me tell you about a day that could be the beginning of your most exciting journey. Welcome back, everyone. For those who are returning, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to be here. And for those who are new, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Everyone, this story is about your regular guy. You know the type, a bit stuck in life, trying his best but not really seeing any huge results. He had dreams, big dreams, but they felt like they were always one step ahead of him, like he was chasing them through a maze with no way out. Then one day, after another day at work, Jake was sitting at home, scrolling through his phone when he stumbled upon a reel that changed everything. It wasn't just any reel, it was about manifestation. Now, Jake was a bit skeptical of all the woo-woo stuff out there, but something about the message caught his attention. Write down 6 positive affirmations about yourself on a piece of paper, the voice in the reel said. Jake rolled his eyes, thinking, yeah, right, like writing stuff down is gonna change my life. But something in him clicked. He thought, what's the worst that can happen? So he grabbed a piece of paper. It was an old receipt from the grocery store, but hey, it would do the job. He scribbled down 6 affirmations. Simple, straightforward, but powerful. I am powerful. I am great. I am worthy. I can do it. I will achieve greatness. I am enough. The reel didn't stop there, though. It said, read them out loud to yourself, but not just once. 3 times a day. And don't just say them. Feel them. Say them like you mean it, like every cell in your body is screaming those words back at you. 3 times a day, Jake thought, all right, let's do this. He started the next morning, standing in front of his mirror, feeling slightly ridiculous, but there he was, reading them out loud. I am powerful. I am great. I am worthy. I can do it. I will achieve greatness. I am enough. The first time, he felt like an imposter. The second time, his voice had a little more strength. But the third time, he almost believed it. Almost. By the 3rd day, Jake noticed something odd. It wasn't the universe suddenly raining down piles of money or magical signs from the heavens. No. It was more subtle than that. He noticed how he felt. His posture was better. He wasn't slouching. He wasn't dragging himself out of bed like a zombie. His thoughts were starting to shift. By the time day 9 rolled around, Jake felt something even deeper change. He felt different. His DNA wasn't visible to him, but it felt like something inside him had clicked. Like some part of him had woken up from a long nap. He felt more energized, more in control. He was seeing opportunities he hadn't seen before. He wasn't just saying the affirmations anymore. He was living them. Now you're probably wondering, can rewriting my DNA really happen just by saying some words? Well, let me tell you something fascinating. Science actually backs this up. By repeating positive affirmations with power, meaning, and emotions, you're not just saying words, you're literally rewiring your brain. You're shifting your body's frequency. Your cell starts to respond. Your DNA, the very code that makes you who you are, begins to change. Negative genes can deactivate, while the genes responsible for greatness, confidence, and success light up like Christmas lights. Imagine that. Your cells actually celebrating. They're throwing a party because they finally got the memo that you're meant for more. Jake kept this practice going. 9 days turned into 18, then 27. And by the time 90 days had passed, Jake didn't just feel different. He was different. The old doubts and fears were barely a whisper in his mind. His job? He got promoted. His side hustle? It exploded. His relationships? Let's just say Jake was glowing with confidence and people noticed. By day 90, Jake's DNA had undergone full transformation. He wasn't chasing his dreams anymore. They were chasing him. Now here's the best part. This isn't just Jake's story. This is your story too. You have the exact same power Jake discovered. All you need is a piece of paper and the willingness to try. Here's what I want you to do today. Grab that pen. Write down 6 affirmations. Powerful ones that make you feel something. And then read them out with passion, conviction, 3 times a day. It might feel weird at first. You might think, what am I even doing? But I promise you, something will shift. Stick with it. 9 days, then 18, then 27. Keep going and watch as your world changes in ways you can't even imagine right now. So what's the moral of this story? Simple. You're already powerful. You're already great. You're already worthy. Only thing standing between you and the life you desire is the story you're telling yourself. It's time to rewrite that story. It's time to rewrite your DNA. Start today. You have 90 days to create the life you've always wanted. I hope you come back for the next story. Keep shining, keep believing, and remember, your greatness is already within you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.